This is Van Patten Lake. As you can see, you can't get out too far. There's snow everywhere. It took us 2.5 hours to hike this, but I wanted you guys to come check this out, check this view out before we head back. We are over in Baker County, Oregon, near Baker City, and this is Van Patten Lake. Oh, we got some fish. Check the fish out. Can you guys see it? We got fish in the water. Look like trout. They're staying up here where it's warm. But yeah, is this not an epic view? I just thought I'd share this with you guys. If you like what you see, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have more video. We're gonna have drone footage. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can see the fish, but there's fish in here. Yeah, we're gonna put some drone footage up later of this place. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See you later.